Authorization is the first step before any construction work. It ensures you have the proper permission and safety gear to protect yourself and others. Engaging the hydraulic lockout is crucial to prevent unexpected movements that could lead to injuries. Look for the slide or toggle on the hydraulic cylinders to secure them. Disabling the electrical systems is essential to prevent any accidental startup. Open the engine compartment and listen for the click as you switch it off. The engine enclosure is off limits for now because hot oil spray has been detected. Wait until the engine cools down before approaching. Rotating the excavator bucket is important to ensure it moves freely, and all surfaces are clear of debris. Go ahead and give it a full rotation. Inspect the operator cab windows for any cracks, as clear visibility is crucial for safe operation. The safety hatch needs to be rotated open to access the interior compartment. Make sure it's clear and free from any obstructions first. Check the clipboard to confirm all maintenance and inspection documentation is complete and accurate before finishing up.